High-quality, soft, pliable film that helps you give the perfect balayage for any hair type. Made for colorists. Film is specifically made for colorists. For use with color blocking and balayage techniques. Perfect to protect each section of highlighted hair. A fantastic addition to any hair dye kit or highlighting kit. Zero cling. No worrying about the film pieces sticking to each other, or to your hands. This film has no cling but still sticks to the hair. This saves you the annoying hassle that regular film gives you during busy moments with your clients. Environmentally friendly. Plastic wrap is 100% biodegradable. 300 feet in length. Zero waste. Roll out and cut whatever length desired, eliminating any wasted film. Saves you money for your other cosmetology supplies. Life-changing hair coloring film. Everything you've come to love from Framar's innovative and imaginative coloring tools, now comes in a plastic balayage film. Once you use this film, you'll never go back to a traditional cling film. No more worrying about the plastic sticking together, or to your hands. This film does not stick together, but will stick to your client's hair. The perfect addition to your hair coloring kit. This film is not like your ordinary Saran wrap. Film is 100% biodegradable and can be used with any hair bleach or hair lightener. Top reviews from the United States. My favorite hair painting wrap yet. This is my favorite freehand painting film. Does not stick to itself. I can tear a bunch of pieces to prep for a guest and pick them up as easily as foil, which I could not do with any other film wrap that I tried. I always hated hand painting on the hair before this because I hated clingy plastic, but this stuff is a life changer. Highly recommend.